Hey guys, it's Bubbly. So I realized I never filmed an intro for my drag foundation video, so here we are. Basically, it's just my foundation routine that I do every time I do my drag makeup. As always, the products used in the video will be linked in the description below. So you want to just start with clean, shaven, moisturized face, pull your hair back, cover your eyebrows, or shave them off. If you have dark hair, you would want to do like a beard cover, so you would want to do orange, either shadow or cream color, and then set it with powder to just cover up all of the blue tones in your hair, either in your beard or your eyebrows if you have it. I've got pretty light hair naturally, and I'm using a super full coverage with the theatrical foundation, so I don't really need to worry about it. You want to apply the foundation everywhere, all over your face and neck. I'm just using an old dirty makeup sponge. Alright, so after you apply the foundation, you want to go ahead and just blend it out. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend my foundation out. After you have blended out your foundation, we're going to go ahead and go in with the cream contour and highlight. I use the same sponge, I just use a different part of the sponge for different things. So I use the bottom of it for my highlight. And you're just going to take that highlight and put it on your cheeks. I like to bring my cheekbone highlight up to give the face an upward lift. And then we're going to highlight the forehead. The chin. Okay, that's everywhere that I highlight. And then taking a different side for contour. We're gonna start to create that beige rainbow on the forehead. Go in underneath the cheek highlight for the cheek contour. And then we're going to do the jawline, as well as the chin. I've got a pretty big chin, so I just like to kind of shorten it up a little bit. Now, I don't like to contour the sides of my nose with cream. I like to do it only with shadow, just because I find when I do it with cream, it's a little too harsh for my liking, but that is more of a personal preference. So now you're just going to take your beauty blender once again and blend it all out. I like to start with my highlights and then do my contours. So I do like to use a contour end and blend the sides of my nose because there's kind of some leftover contour color on the Beauty Blender. And that's about all of the cream contouring that I do on my nose. So I'm pretty happy with that. One thing that I like to do before I go and set it with loose powder is just make sure that there's no creases under my eyes or on my forehead is where I typically get them. So I just like to give them a final blend. So now I'm just going to go in with my loose powder on a powder puff and just beat my face, girl, okay? After you do loose powder everywhere, just take a nice fluffy brush and blend away all of the excess. Okay, so after you set with a neutral or translucent loose powder, we want to go ahead and go in with a lighter loose powder for your highlights so we can bake them. It's basically going to make them pop and make them a lot brighter. So I like to take my just white loose powder in the cap of my other one and put it in all the places that we put the highlight. do like to clean it up. Because trust me, when you leave this to bake, you will see where you put it after you brush it off. So you want it to be exactly where you want it. And that was my drag foundation routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can drag up your life like a queen. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.